Delta offers their professional-grade IP55 and IP56 rated fans and blowers. Purpose-built using Delta's superior production techniques, such as their proprietary potting process, these fans and blowers are able to operate in harsh conditions while preventing the ingress of dust, foreign objects, or water. As a result, these fans and blowers minimize maintenance downtime and allow for an extended operating life. With voltage ratings of 12, 24, and 48 volts DC, these IP-rated professional-grade axial fans and blowers are ideal for practical projects involving high heat, humidity, dust, dirt, salt mist, or water spray. Such adverse operating conditions can oftentimes be present in applications such as telecom, renewable energy, heating and cooling, and more.